How to delete TikTok account permanently.
Ever close TikTok and wonder where your time went? If you've decided to permanently delete your account, be warned, finding the exit is harder than it should be. In this video, I'll cut through the confusion and show you the exact steps to delete your account for good. To begin our process, please open the TikTok application on your device and ensure you are logged into your account. Once you are on the main screen, kindly tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner to access your personal profile. Now, from your profile page, please locate and tap on the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a new menu. From the list of options presented, we will select Settings and Privacy. Within the Settings and Privacy menu, you will need to tap on the option labeled Account, which manages your core account preferences. After entering the Account menu, please scroll down and select the option that says Deactivate or Delete Account. Here, you will be presented with two choices. For a permanent removal, we will select the Delete Account Permanently option. TikTok will now ask for feedback. Please take a moment to select the reason that best describes why you are leaving the platform, then tap Continue. As an optional but recommended step, you may tap Request Download to securely save a copy of your TikTok data for your personal records before proceeding. After you have successfully requested or opted to skip the data download, please check the box to confirm you understand this action is permanent and then tap Continue. We are now at a crucial step. Please read the final warning message carefully to ensure you understand the permanence of this decision, and if you are certain, tap Continue. To verify your identity, a confirmation code has been sent to your associated email or phone number. Please enter that code here and then tap Delete Account. You will be met with one final confirmation prompt. To complete the process, please tap Delete one last time. Congratulations, you have successfully and permanently deleted your TikTok account. We thank you for following along.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.